Let's talk about making money online per click. A lot of people have been asking me, Solomon, is there a method that I can use to start making money online just by clicking or just by per click or things like that? Yes, there are several methods. So today I'm going to talk about 8 to 10 different methods you can use to potentially make money online per click. Now, before you start saying, Solomon, how is this even possible? I got this amount of money from this method, as you can see over here, and this is what I have in my balance now, and I got this amount of money too from this particular method, and this is another method, right? So there are a lot of methods this can be possible. I came out here a few weeks ago, I talked about viewpoint, right? I said that I could not withdraw my earnings, or I withdrew but I could not redeem the gift card, right? So finally I was able to convert that Kilimanjaro gift card to Shaw gift card, so I can definitely use it. Those of you that are using that particular app, whenever you're redeeming your earnings inside Tremendous, you can decide to use Visa. If you use Visa, you're going to struggle, except you use it on Temu, or if you use any other gift card, use gift card that are available in your area so that you not end up struggling like me. And do also like, share if you're getting any value from my channel, subscribe if you want to, and make sure you join the community. Don't forget to follow me on my Selim account. What are some methods you can use to potentially make money online per click? Please mind you, this is not some magic somewhere that prints money or things like that. No, please, anything you want to do online requires effort, right? You have to put the effort before result come out. Anybody that comes and say you will just sit down and make money without any effort or without any foundation, that is a lie, right? So this is a disclaimer. So I'm saying this based on my personal experience. Now, the first method is called OSP. OSP means online service platforms. It could be apps, it could be website. Now, this is a method that I have been using personally for the past 3 years now. So this is whereby you go to different platforms and you perform some services to them, like clicking ads and things like that, or you perform some activities and you actually get rewarded. So this method is called OSP, online service platforms or online service websites or apps, you understand? The next method is called PPC. It means pay per click. This is a model whereby publishers actually earn money when advertisers run ads either on their website or on their platform or wherever, and you can actually make money from that. So they call it PPC, and there are some websites that offer this opportunity. For example, Monetag. If you have a Telegram mini app, you can decide to monetize your Telegram mini app with ads using Monetag, and they pay you if people click on those ads. So it is called pay per click. That's why they call it PPC. So this is another method you can use to make money per click. Another method you can use to make money per click is called link monetization. Now, I'm using this method, but this method has a downside. Now, the downside to this method is that most platforms, their CPM is very, very low. For example, I use Monetag again as an example. I use Monetag link and monetization, but their CPM is so low that even if you have up to 500 clicks, you might end up making at $1.5. So it is very, very low. I don't know if it's because of the traffic. This is another method you can use to make money per click, especially right here in Nigeria. This can work for you anywhere. Just look for different platforms that offer link monetization, or you can call it short links. Some people, they call it short links, right? So this is a process where they run ads on these links. You share the links to different groups, different channels, and when people click on it, you earn a percentage from the ad revenue. It is called link monetization. Like I said, the problem is that the earnings might be very, very low. Their CPM might be very, very low. It could be based on where your traffic is coming from, or it could just be the platform don't pay much. I'm going to display some websites on the screen that offer this service. You can go there, check them out, so that anyone that work out for you can try in 2026. Now, another method is called PTC. PTC means paid to click. Now, this is whereby you register on different PTC platforms or different GPT platforms, and they pay you to click on ads, click on articles and things like that. They actually reward you for your effort. So they have in-app or in-website activities that you perform to actually earn some cash for yourself. They call it PTC, which simply means paid to click. So this is another method you can use to make money online per click. Now, I personally have used this method with platforms like Payrout and GP2 and a lot of them like that, right? They have these particular options. Now, there's a difference between this particular PTC and the other one I mentioned earlier. Now, the other one are in-app activities, while this one is direct clicking of ads. Problem with this particular paid to click or PTC is that they don't really pay much. Some of the platforms pay peanuts, and they are very, very discouraging, right? They are very, very discouraging, and it's very, very difficult for you to see a good platform that really pays something reasonable with paid to click. Personally, for me, I would not recommend it because it looks like a waste of time in some cases, especially right here in Nigeria. But this is just another option to consider, but I would not recommend it personally. Another method to consider is called website monetization. Now, this is a process whereby you create a website. You can use AI to do that. Then you post articles on this website, and at some level or at some point, you decide to apply for monetization using Google AdSense, and they run ads on this website. When people click on those ads or interact with those ads, you actually make money from monetizing that particular website. So this is another method you can use to make money per click. And if I'm being very, very honest, I am using this particular method right here in Nigeria, and it's working out for me perfectly. Although there are some challenges because of the geographical location. So my personal advice, if you're building a blogging website, please target Americans, target UK, target Canada. It increases your chances of earning high CPM when you want to monetize or when you're monetizing through Google AdSense. Is something I am doing personally, so that's why I'm sharing this one based on my own personal experience. The next one is the one that has made me the most money online, and most people still don't like it, and this is called content creation. And this is when you decide to post your content on platforms like Facebook and YouTube, and if you get to a certain criteria, you can monetize those content. They start paying you by running ads on your videos, and the more views you have on those videos, the more you can actually earn from this. So this is called content creation, and it works on Facebook, it works on Instagram, it works on TikTok for some countries, it works on YouTube, and it works on Twitter for some people. So this is a method that I have been using personally. The next method is a method that you can start for completely free. You don't need capital to start, and this is a method you can also use to make money online per click. This method is called affiliate marketing. Yes, and it's also a method that I have been using for some time now, and it is actually working out for me. How does it work? So you partner with different companies, or you register with different companies or different platforms. So what happens is that you promote their product. It could be physical product, it could be digital product, it could be courses, it could be anything. You promote their product. Once you make sales for promoting that particular product, they give you a commission. For example, if that particular product was 100,000 naira and you sell it, they can give you 15,000 naira as a commission for selling that particular product, for people clicking on that particular product or clicking on that your ad to buy that particular product. They pay you for those clicks that you convert to customers. So this is another method you can use to make money online per click. I told you earlier, the best part is that you don't need any capital for you to start. There are a lot of platforms that offer this particular opportunity. For example, staycut.com, Espania, Selim, and so on and so forth. Now, the next method is called influencer marketing. Now, there's a difference between influencer marketing and affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is you as a person partner with another person. You don't need followers to do that. With influencer marketing, you need to have a big audience, an engaged audience. So it is called influencer marketing. You already need to have an audience, an engaged audience that are active. But with affiliate marketing, you don't really need audience because you can decide to run ads. Another method is called search engine engagement. A new business just come up and they are not popular. They pay people, or they pay different platforms to pay people. So what you do is that you go on Google, or you go on Facebook, you go on Instagram, you go on YouTube, and you start searching for this particular business. And the more you search for it, the more Google will think that people are really looking for this business, or the more they are going to promote it to more people. This is another method you can use. Next method is called online live streaming. Now, this is another method you can use to make money per click, because once you go live life and you have good value to offer to other people, people can come and click and give you different kind of gifts, especially on TikTok and on YouTube. So this is another method you can use to make money online per click. It's called online live streaming. You can either live stream by yourself, or you can decide to use AI to do the live streaming or AI automation. The next one I have on my list right here is called rewards and referral program. And this is whereby you join different websites and you do some tax on the website, or you do whatever, and they come up with a program that say, if you invite people to come and do the same tax that you're doing, we are going to pay you a commission, and you refer people and you get those rewards and you get those commission. Some of you will say, Solomon, which of them are you doing? I'm currently doing this reward and referral program. I'm doing affiliate marketing, I'm doing website monetization, I'm doing content creation, I'm doing short links. But you can choose one or two or three that you like personally. And if you want to see more updates from me, do want to follow me on my Selim account.